welcome back to my channel. It's Mayowa. So today I will be doing my college dorm room tour. Ew. But yeah, so today I will be showing you guys my dorm room because it's toward the end of the semester and everyone gotta pack their shit up for the summertime. So I wanted to show you guys my room before I pack my shit up for the summertime. So yeah, let's get started. Thank you so much for watching my room tour. I really didn't know how to film a room tour, so I hope this is helpful. I don't know, give me some tips down below if you think I could have done better, because I personally think I could have done better, but this is my first room tour. But yeah guys, give me feedback in the comments and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget, I want to see you right there next time. Bye.